For many bakeries, the purchase and replacement of baking pans is one of their largest capital expenditures. A simple way to keep pan costs under control is to have them cleaned and straightened regularly. In fact, routine maintenance of your baking pans can increase their effective life by more than 50%. Pan Glo provides a comprehensive process to straighten, clean, and recoat your baking pans in 13 locations throughout North America. The first step in maintaining your pans is to have them straightened. This process utilizes custom dies and hydraulics to straighten any bends or warping while simultaneously removing any dents in your pans. Next, we begin the cleaning process. In this step, we utilize proprietary cleaners to remove heavy greases and carbons from the pans, along with any remaining silicone release coating. The pans are then rinsed in heated water and are inserted into an alkaline detergent cleanser for up to 8 hours to remove any carbon buildup or food residue. After the detergent soak, the pans are rinsed in fresh water and inserted into a sanitizing solution to remove any remaining organic materials and any stains from the metal substrate. Now the pans are again rinsed and inserted into a mild acid solution to neutralize any remaining alkalinity. They are then placed into a conveyorized pan washer, which utilizes high-pressure water and temperature to rinse any remaining residue from the pans. After the washing and rinsing process is complete, the pans are dried in industrial ovens. Once the pans have been dried, they are then coated with a silicone release coating and cured in high-temperature ovens. After curing, the pans are ready for shipping. Pans that don't require coating are ready for shipment after the washing and drying cycle. By utilizing the Pan Glo process, you can considerably increase the life of your pans while maximizing their operational performance. We recommend that you integrate the Pan Glo process into your routine of equipment maintenance.